So we got all our parts. What's going on, everybody? It is Tuesday, 11:30 in the morning. Just got the call that my parts are already in, so didn't have to wait 5 days, which was awesome. Only had to wait 2 business days, so that's not bad. So I'm going to go to the dealership, pick up those parts, and because I was not expecting them to be in today, I have to drive back to my house to get other parts that I have there. So I have, I'm getting all my brakes redone, and I'm gonna have them put my stock throttle body back on so I can continue to use my warranty. And if anything else goes wrong in the next 50,000 miles, hopefully I'll be covered at that time, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go home and get those other parts and then take all the parts that I have collectively and bring them to the dealership where my Jeep is and have them install everything. So I would imagine it'd probably take them a couple days, maybe Thursday, Friday, I can get it back. We'll see. But yeah, so it's a very gloomy day in Chicago, so we're gonna go do that, and that's at least a little bit cheery, so stay tuned. All right, we are here again. To go pick up our parts. So let's do this.
Freaking nice. That's it, brother.
Dang.
Oh,
Take a look at all this stuff. Any chance we could crack this open and make sure it's what it's supposed to be? Oh, it's on the sides too. That one here. The reveal. Oh man. Look at
Emmy, baby.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Once you get it out of there, you can see the valves. And these things have some serious valves.
Oh, on the underside?
The Hemis? Oh, yeah.
They pull it? Whoo!
It's nice because it comes loaded with everything.
Right? Sweet.
Get that thing back.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Oh, yeah. Actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say, will that stuff fit in there?
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Tape.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Right.
Sweet deal.
All right, so as you saw, we got the head, we got the gaskets, we got everything we need from this dealership. Now I need to run home, grab my brakes, stock throttle body, throw that in the car, and then we're gonna go to the other dealership, drop off all the parts so that they can do everything that they need to do to get the Jeep back up and running. Probably grab some lunch and some gas in between here and there. So yeah, let's get it.
Look
we are almost to my house, so we're gonna get my brakes, stock throttle body. I'll grab something to eat because I'm starving, and then we are on the way to the other dealership where my Jeep is at to drop all the parts off, and it'll be fun. We got gas, as you saw, so we want to do that later. But yeah, let's go get those brakes.
Good.
Let's move a little bit. So we got those. I know my garage is messy, so don't worry about that. Got the brakes right here. Boom. Good to go. All right, now we gotta grab the throttle body, which is up here. There's the stock one. Right. So we got all our parts. I'm gonna go have some lunch. Let's get it. Oh. That's fine. We're here. Let's go drop off these parts. Get my Jeep fixed. Sound the horn. Okay, we just dropped off all the parts at the dealership. I hope they have everything they need. They should. I'm fairly confident that I got everything that they needed me to have. All the gaskets and everything, pertaining to the block, so they should have everything. They said they would probably be working on it later in the week, early next week. So we'll see what happens with that. And gonna have them contact the warranty company as well and make sure that if I put the stock throttle body back on, that the warranty company will actually reinstate the warranty. Because they told me over the phone they would, but I want to get it in writing. So if I don't hear anything from them in 2 days, I got their number and I'll call them myself. And we'll go from there. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Dropped off the parts. Hopefully it gets fixed sooner rather than later. And we'll get it back on the street soon enough. And next month, I've already got a date set with my buddy Rob. We are going to be wrapping the Jeep. And it's actually a very cool looking wrap. So we've already picked out colors and everything else. We're gonna do some little window decals to try and match, like with the YouTube name and stuff like that. But yeah, so it should turn out super sick in my opinion. And stay tuned for that. That'll be coming within 5 or 6 weeks. So hope y'all are having a good day. Enjoy your afternoon. Peace.